Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Before the video starts, I just want to say thanks for all the support on my recent videos and Instagram clips and everything just like that. And I'm wearing a beanie. I haven't worn a beanie in a while. It's currently really cold and windy outside. I've also got my hoodie on and I haven't done my hair, so just saying that's why I'm doing that. So today, as you saw from the title, I got my brand new box from Adidas, my brand new shoes, so we'll get straight into the unboxing. No hesitation, these are the Lucas Premiers. They're in like a black and orange, solar orange, blue colorway. I don't know what you would call it. I don't know how to open this box either. I'm just gonna cut a hole right here. How you open a box? It's right open. Alright, so before we pull out the box, we've just got this return instructions, and I really hope my camera does not die. It's on half battery, like it died in the other vlog, but at Grove. But yeah, just got the return policy stuff down there. And then here's the box, Adidas original box. No, just an Adidas box. The original ones are blue. So yeah, here they are, the Lucas Premiers. Size 12, they should be size 12. Yeah, size 12, US 12. Australian, go off the US sizing. Here are the shoes. Well, here's the box. And now here's the shoes. Oh, that's paper. Alright. Alright, ready? Damn, these look nice as. Pretty flexible, but these actually look sick as. Damn, glad I went with these. As you saw on my Instagram story, I put on a poll. 64% here, I'm pretty sure, voted this one, and there was another one as well. I was gonna get these, and then I was like, oh wait, those other ones actually look pretty nice as well. So I did a poll, and you guys convinced me to get these Lucas Premiers. I don't know actually what the other ones were. I don't think they were anyone 6 or anything like that. But yeah, so here is the right shoe. Look at that. Just get closer. It's got a removable inner sole. Not very supportive. I'll probably put in my other one. Maybe. It's brown with 3 stripes, like on every Adidas inner sole. Laces, no spare laces, so just they're black, orange, blue, yellow. They all got like green on colours. I'm pretty sure he has more than just this colorway of shoes. That's all, and then he's got paper in the box. So put that back in here. Here's just my unboxing of my brand new shoes I'll be wearing. If you guys want a review on them, I'll do a review on them after like a week or so of riding in them. So yeah, these look very comfortable. They look super good as well. So yeah, here are my Lucas Premier. I don't even know what like type of shoes these are. Lucas Premier AVD, something like that. So yeah, inner sole's got pretty good tread marks on there. I don't know if they're called tread marks. I'm pretty sure that's for a car. Pretty sure. I think this is just the soles. Yeah, it's just got a blue bit here. It's also got this rubber bit. Like, these are skating shoes if you didn't really know that, but it's got like rubber on here if you want to do like heel flips, I'm pretty sure they're called. You flip it with your heel. And then it's just got suede here and this mesh material in the shoe. It's like a gum, like a very dark gum sole, and then it's got just white here, and then black, and then neon colours. Got a pretty short tongue, also made out of that mesh. Laces are pretty long, which is what I like. I don't really like when it has just like 4 or 5 holes. I like it when it goes a bit more longer, just like my campus shoes. They look good, they have good reviews from skaters, and people say they feel nice, and I'm gonna buy them because that's what shoes are made for comfort. If it is riding, walking, running, anything, shoes are made to comfort your feet. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm talking about now, I'm just rambling on. So yeah, hope you liked the unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends and family. Make sure you click in the iCards up here. There's also videos of past in there, and then also at the end screen. Make sure you comment down below to get shout out in the next video. For a chance to get shout out in the next video, I should say that, because it's just I type in onto this website and it picks a comment, take a screenshot, put it at the end of the video. And yeah, I hope you like the new end screen and the outro song, because I personally think that it is a banger from Jesse. He says he doesn't really like it, but I'm pretty sure lots of people are gonna like this song, because it's just too good of a song, man. But yeah. See you in the next video. Hopefully it's a vlog. Should be vlogging on Saturday and Sunday. Making a very cool video on Sunday, actually. A bit different to what I usually upload with Parker and Jesse in the city. So yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. I already said that. See you later.
I just got my juice, I just be sipping on that Fago. Hop up in that suicide, it's yellow like some mangoes. I don't want a pussy, I just wanna get a brain hole. Ate up in my soda, different colors on a rainbow. Money yellow on me, I'm a winner, let's just face it. Diamonds all around.
Thumbnail boys, let's go.